Today, we're crafting a 4-koma, a 4-panel comic. The theme of this 4-koma will be care. First off, let's brainstorm and lay out our ideas on a mind map. Here are some questions to think about. What is care? Who can we show care towards? And in what way can we show care? Perhaps care is looking out for those around us, such as our friends and family. Maybe we can show care by helping the more vulnerable, such as the elderly. There are many small acts of care that one can do. What other ways to show care can you think of? Using all the ideas that we've written down, let's think of some possible stories. But what goes into a story? Let's take a look. First, let's start with an introduction. This is where we introduce the setting, which includes the characters, the place, the time, and other relevant details of the story. The location where this story takes place is on a crowded train. The important characters are the protagonist and an elderly lady. Next, we present the problem. The problem is the event that triggers the exciting part of the story. It could be an obstacle or something unusual. In this case, the problem was that everyone pretended to sleep and no one wanted to give up a seat for the elderly lady. Next, we have a solution to address the problem. Maybe someone did something or something else happened that changed the situation. This shifts the course of events in a positive direction towards a conclusion. In this case, the protagonist made a daring move and woke up the person sitting on the priority seat. That leads us to the conclusion. What is the final outcome? Was the problem solved? How did the problem and solution eventually affect the situation? Here, we have a happy ending where the elderly lady got to sit down and thanks the protagonist for his help. Those are the 4 parts of a 4-koma story. First, the introduction. Second, the problem. Third, the solution. And finally, the conclusion. Write each image description before drawing each scene. What we have here is a thumbnail storyboard. We may create more to explore different stories or different ways to tell the story. When we are happy with the telling of the story, we can then refine the 4-koma. Here is the 4-koma being revised at a larger size than the thumbnail. During this process, further changes may be made to the details and composition of each scene. Finally, we bring the 4-koma digital. Using a drawing software, we may make further adjustments to our final comic. And here is our finished 4-koma. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for even more content.